How to upload videos on TikTok. To upload videos, you'll first need to press the plus button in the middle bottom right here. And then you want to give permissions to the camera to be able to record videos. And now you can hold down the white button right here to take a photo or record a video. You can switch to 15 seconds if you want to record a 15-second video, or 16 or 60 seconds or 10 minutes. And you can also post a text or an image with text. And you can also upload images that or videos that are already recorded on your phone or device by clicking on this picture right here, and then give permissions to access the device files. And then from here you can search for your photos or videos that you want to upload. So for example, I'm going to upload this video right here. Now click on done, and then just select the video right here, press next, and this should be posted to your story. Now you can go ahead and add a music to it if you want to by clicking on the top right here, and then you can search for a specific music and then select it. Now if you want to get rid of the music, you can simply press this X button here to remove the music, and then you can press next to proceed to post the video or upload it. Now you can give your video a description, and you can also give it a cover by clicking on edit cover here, and pick a frame from the video or upload one from your phone by pressing the upload button on the right side, and then click on save when you're done. And then you can add links to it by clicking on add link and controlling who can view this post, and then press on more options here to configure more video options or privacy options. You can also add hashtags and mentions, and when you're done, you can also mention specific people. When you're done, you want to press next and then press post, and this should post your video and start uploading, as you can see on the top left. And once it's posted, it should show you that your video has been posted, and if you go to your profile, you should find your video there. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you on the next one.